Good evening, everyone. I am Preeti. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel with PR Nursing Rock. So today, we're going to discuss about the most important topic is healthcare system in that three-tier system. So three-tier system is most important for CHO exam, means community health nursing exam, community health nursing officer examination. So in that three-tier system, we will going to discuss the sub-center and primary health center and community health center. So sub-center is the first contact point between the between the primary health care system and community. Then primary health center means PHC. PHC is the first contact point village community and the medical officer. Then community health center, so community health center means CHC. It has a 30 indoor bedded with one OT and X-ray and labor room and laboratory facilities. Then community health center is also known as the first referral unit. So the first referral unit is community health center. Then next we'll going to discuss the distribution of a subcenter PSC and community health center according to their population. So according to their population, in a subcenter level, the 3000 in hilly and tribal area and the 5000 in plain area population is covered by the subcenter. And in a primary health center level 20,000 in a hilly and tribal area, 30,000 in plain area population is covered by the primary health center. Then community health center, under the community health center 80,000 in hilly and tribal area and in a plain 1,20,000 in plain area population is covered by the one community health center. Then second we'll going to discuss the average number of village covered. So average number of village covered by the sub center is 4 and primary health center by 27 village and 133 villages covered by the one community health center. Then staffing pattern, so in a staffing pattern in that sub center is there the three staffs and the in a primary health center 14 and community health center 25. Then kit available, so which kit available at the sub center and PSC and CSC. So this is most important for the all government exams. So at the sub center level, kit A and kit B and kit C and midwifery kit is available at the sub center level. And at PSC level, kit D and at the CSC level community health center, so kit E to kit P, so kit E to kit P is available at the community health center level. Then last one, to service provided at sub center PSC and CSC. So which type of service provided at the sub center PSC and CSC? So in a sub center level, the maternal and child health services, nutritional services, immunization, family welfare, contraception and school health services, adolescent services, records of vital events, water quality monitoring. Then at the primary health center level, medical care facilities are available and the maternal care in that the antenatal care and intranatal and postnatal care provided by the PSC level. Then the child care, family planning, nutritional services, disease surveillance and control of epidemics, basic laboratory services, mainstreaming of IUs, referral services. Then at the community health center level, so community health center level the service is provided a care of routine and emergency cases in surgery, care of routine and emergency cases in of medicine. So medicine and surgery care provided routinely at the level of the CSC. Then newborn care and child health, so newborn care and child health facilities and health care provided at the community health center. then family planning, national health programs, and communicable non-communicable programs, then other services like diagnostic and referral diagnostic services and referral services, and adolescent health care and blood storage facilities also available at the primary at the community health center level. So community health center is the first referral unit. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all are satisfied with my simplified video.